A few moments later.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we're gonna talk about a topic about a protector that also has privacy. So I heard that you can hit your phone with a hammer with a case, not the case, the protector screen, and I want to find out if that's true or not. So let's open it. So it's really very easy to open, but I fucked it up. And curse you, internet.
Do you need help?
No, I got this. I always ruin everything. Should not be like that. Sorry for the mess, Mom. I'll clean it later. We got the box that...
Where's your phone?
My phone's over here. I forgot about the box. My bad.
I think you need to take your
So
phone
I'm gonna
case
open
off.
it. I'm gonna open it. And I'm gonna put the Face ID, the Touch ID on here. And I'm gonna use that for the bubbles. First, I gotta clean it. We're gonna clean it. And it sounds very easy just to clean it. So they give us one alcohol. I'm gonna open it. And now I'm gonna clean it.
In circles.
Every time I use this, it always gives me bubbles and I hate it. Now, I'm gonna clean it and dry it up. Now it looks professional. Now I'm gonna put my... I think I have to open my case. I'm gonna open my case. I'm gonna put my phone here. I'm gonna put this. It goes over here. And I just go like that. I'm gonna put my Face ID. Wait, I messed up.
And now you pull it. No, you pull it.
Oh.
You need to pull it.
Oh yeah, I need to pull it. No, I don't need to pull it.
What do you think you're supposed to do, dude? Of course you're supposed to pull it.
Now let's see what happens.
No, it's not on yet. You need to pull it.
Wait, I need to pull it?
Yes.
What?
Put it back down. Hold the sides. Pick it and hold the sides and pull. Good.
I messed up, that's why. And then after that, step 4, press it.
Swipe. You don't need to do it that hard.
Oh, see how it looks. Hey, look at that, people. That's genius.
Look at all the bubbles, guys.
Wait. Can you help me with that? Wait, let me
No, you do it.
Alright. Wait, let me open it. I messed up.
That's funny.
That's a lot of bubbles.
All right, now rip that off. Come on.
Wait.
Show them the hammer time.
No, it has those bubbles, bro. It's not good.
Dude, you're going to make the video 45 minutes.
Wait, I'm trying to fix this, bro. Wait. Bubbles coming out. I kind of messed up with my bubbles.
All right, that looks pretty good, dude.
Now the middle two. Now the hammer time. What the hell? No scratch, bro. No fucking scratch.
Wait, turn it on. Oh, wait.
It's dead. The fuck? There's no fucking hammer. There's no way. This is fucking brother, bro. Like, what the hell? Dang. So, I hope you guys liked the video.
That's it.
I hope you guys liked the video, and you should definitely get this. I recognize you to get this. Wait,
Yep.
recognize or recognize? Whatever. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys have a nice day, and subscribe me.